Hello neighbors, you're our primo neighbors, our premier subscribers, and for you we wanted to do one special recipe. And it's wintertime, it's getting very cold, so we're gonna put tteok, which is the rice cakes with what?
Mandu.
With mandu. Put them together and we get tteok
Manduguk.
That was pretty good. Finally we're
in sync.
In sync, yes. So if you have, Katie, your teeth back, please, thank you. If you have a Korean mart nearby, pick up some dumplings and some tteok, put them together, and you'll get this delicious chicken. For today's soup, we're going to use these fresh vegetables. Let's start off with the finger length of carrot. And then half an onion, thin slices. And then a zucchini, finger length here, up to here. Cut into small strips like this. 4-arm piece of spring onion. I want you to fill a mixing bowl with some cold water. And we want to hydrate our rice cakes. So this one is the oval kind. We usually use this for tteokguk. And we'll put in 2 big fistfuls. That's 1 and 2. Good.
Is that enough for 2 people?
I think so. And then sous chef, please crack 1 egg.
Sure.
I don't know if you can crack with 1 hand, Katie. I've never seen you successfully do this. Oh, actually, not bad. The sound wasn't appealing, but the result was okay.
And we have to take that out.
You can just use the...
Mix it up. Now I'm gonna make the anchovy kelp broth. You guys have seen this a lot, so I'm not gonna repeat.
It's nice to give these anchovies a little roast. So don't put any oil.
So we just leave it on for maybe 10 seconds.
Until you hear them start to pop just a little bit. You'll hear it.
Pop!
So do you hear a little bit? Yeah, doesn't it? You hear that a little bit? Crackling, small crackling. You don't want it to burn, so as soon as that comes, we're gonna put in 4 cups of water.
Put a few pieces of dashima in. When it comes to a boil, we're gonna take out the dashima sheets and let it cook away for 10 more minutes.
And in the meanwhile, let's empty out this tteok.
Alright, so 10 minutes is up. Take out the anchovy pieces. Now we're gonna add in all the veggies except for the spring onions.
And these vegetables are gonna bring out a very fresh flavor. So we're gonna bring it back up to a boil, put it back on high.
So Daniel, what did you think of the Mont Blanc that I made?
The cake was really good. So the chestnut flavor, I think if it was actually chocolate it'd be too sweet. But that chestnut flavor, it's very...
It's very smooth,
very
right?
smooth taste. I love it. I think we should try to make it every year.
So after a few minutes, when the carrots get soft, rice cake in. Do 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 do. I can just tell you're just so annoyed by my existence.
Okay. Alright. You guys are probably curious what's happening behind the scenes. 1 tablespoon of soup soy sauce. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. 4 or 5 good shakes of black pepper. And then we're going to put in some dumplings. Put whichever ones you have. We're going to put in 4 big ones.
Bibigo. Bibigo, not bibimgo.
I'm going to give a quick taste of the broth. It's good. Tastes great.
맛있다.
It's good. Alright, and once the mandus are finished cooking through, then let's put the egg in. You can just put it in slowly. Alright, that looks great. Then we're going to put in a half tablespoon of sesame oil. Alright, evens out all the flavors. Throw in our spring onions on top.
It looks just perfect for this weather.
Does it look better than the restaurant you were craving?
I think so. Daniel, I ask you how many mandus you want?
2.
Oh, so we're gonna be equal.
And Katie, should we put some keema on top?
Yes. Seaweed like this.
Alright, and that's it guys, right here. What do you think? Katie, do the honors. Break it in.
All I was waiting was for this time.
Get a big dumpling.
Go in there. Shall we open it up? Mandu and rice cake. Mmm. 맛있다. The soup is really good.
30 seconds in, we're almost finished 1 serving. That's really good.
It's just very delicious and you gotta make this.
Yeah. Alright, Primo, so let us know what recipes you would like to see us make, especially for you. But don't go too hardcore, right? Like sundae and like some like honga. Too crazy. Too crazy. Too crazy.
Alright! Ciao everybody!